Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. You see, I never understood what beauty was. I never imagined myself as the image of whatever creates the product, but a broken product produced by the production of nothing is irritating. It steals my joy, it steals my peace, it even has me on a leash. The parasitism of a working bond destroys the heredity of my foreseen stability. My wavering moments keeps me higher as I drum lower. It's just a world of mistakes, it's just a world that dictates, it's just a world that surrounds the me and elevates the you and emptiness. It relied on the silence of distress, but still, darkness had a way of taking my soul and conforming it into a hollow hole that did not miss me. It was just a missile that ready, aimed, and fired all my existence into the mysterious distance. But suddenly a splatter of white blinded the blur in the presence of night. The strength of the weak ordained in me a fight that reigned in every victory, for greater is he in me than he that is in the world. The star of wonder, the star of night, the star who is the king with royal beauty bright, his leading light directed me to sovereignty of a peaceful life. For reflection of love added to the solution of pain, dissolved the contaminants of a crumbled interior. It released the fervent fragrance and formed beauty out of a disaster. The heat of desperation was removed by the scorching fire for passion of desire. The enticing light that never hid, the comfort of warmth that never harmed, the effortless love that injects the unhappy, the beauty that forms grace and serenity. The beam which blinds the manipulator is the overcomer. As the shell of despair cracks, the light of a stunner explodes. The face of change shows a life of greatness. A life of greatness is the manufacture of a blissful future. She is beyond the creation of a golden